This is Kiwi. It's a very beautiful parrot. And she knows how to make a camera sound. She's a bird with special needs because her little leg is a little twisted, but she is perfectly fine, right? She knows how to pose for the camera, and she's always eager to come out of the cage and hang out. Right, Kiwi? This is COCO, her parrot, because she owns her own parrot. Right, Coquito? Uy, 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 uy. And this is the sidekick, Grillo. Right? He's always hanging out with them. He lives outside because he wouldn't be able to be inside the cage with them. Kiwi, say hello. Say hello, Kiwi. Kiwi, ¿cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas, pollito? Kiwi, ¿cómo te llamas? Dime, mi amor. Uy, uy, uy. Dígame, mi pollito, ¿cómo se llama? Coquito. Hola, Coquito. Ay, qué bonito pollito. Qué bonito pollito. Well, let's wake up the other two birds. You're gonna meet Güerita and Balloo. Hi, Balloo. Uy. Uy, uy. You're so pretty. Grillo loves to hang out next to Güerita. But Güerita sometimes doesn't like Grillo. He always wanted to come out. If I open that, Balloo will come out immediately. He's a very, very smart bird. And here's Kiwi, trying to find out what is going on. He just woke up. Coquito. Alright, on the next video, I will present the next of the family. The rest of the family.